The favorite Bliss, Bangge, Kashmira, Temptress. Only one entry, last call, Stellar Race. All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Final countdown. Bangge, Karma. Rushing up is Kashmira, Bliss. Danoni inside. Banay. Alongside is Had Gossip. Moving up by Dral, Helter Skelter. Temptress also rushing up by Chuchinelli. And on the outside, fourth last Stellar Race. Dugo Anak Papato. Idol Borong, in fairness, is running in 14th. Rounding the far turn, Kashmira, final countdown on the outside, Temptress on the further outside, and moving up by the release Bliss as they race the last 500. Kashmira, final countdown, Bangge racing on the outside, and by the release Bliss as they race the final corner. It's Kashmira, Bangge, Helter Skelter in between runners is Temptress. It's now Bangge on the outside, Kashmira, Temptress, and nearing the finish line, Bangge, number 7 by about 2 lengths, and finally Bangge, Kashmira, Temptress, Karma, Bliss, Chuchinelli. Super.